Welcome back. In this video, we will go over the similarities and differences between the femur and the humerus. This right here is the left femur. The femur is the bone in your thigh. This right here is the right humerus. The humerus is the bone in your arm. Both, they have a head. The head faces medially. The head of the femur articulates with the hip bone, which forms the hip joint. The head of the humerus articulates with the scapula, which forms the shoulder joint. Both, they have a neck. However, the humerus has a surgical neck and an anatomical neck. The femur has two trochanters, greater trochanter and lesser trochanter, whereas the humerus, it has two tubercles, greater tubercle and a lesser tubercle. On the shaft of the femur, we have posteriorly the linea aspera. On the shaft of the humerus, we have the deltoid tuberosity and the radial groove. Moving to the distal part of the femur and the humerus. Both bones on the distal part, they have a medial epicondyle. This right here is the medial epicondyle. This is the medial epicondyle for the humerus. On the opposite side, we can see the lateral epicondyle. On the anterior aspect of the femur, we have the patellar surface. On the anterior aspect of the humerus, we have two fossa and the capitulum and the trochlea. Moving to the posterior aspect of the distal part, we have two condyles right here and one intercondylar fossa. Right here, we have the olecranon fossa. I hope you found the video helpful. Hit the like button and check out my video on the anatomy of the humerus and the anatomy of the femur.